Again, when we say storage drive, it can be installed inside your computer case or your computer chassis, such as your hard drive or your SSD. And when we say portability, sabi nga ni Jen, pwedeng madala kahit saan. Okay? And can be connected to your computer using a USB port or FireWire port, any type of port na pwede nyong masalpakan ng portable storage drives. And this portable storage drives can sometimes refer as removable drives. Bakit removable drive siya? Bakit natawag siyang removable drive? Gaya ng ng flash drive, ng hard drive, external hard drive.
Kasi yung like madadala mo siya.
Okay, madadala or matatanggal mo siya sa computer mo. Unlike with hard drives or yung nasa loob mismo ng computer mo, hindi mo siya basta-basta matanggal. And also, you can read and write files using your removable drives into multiple computers. For example, meron ba ako ditong example ng I'll give you an example ha. This is an example of what?
Ano yan, madam?
Mukhang notebook.
Notebook?
What's this? Sinabi ko na to last time.
Hard drive.
This is not a hard drive, but external hard drive.
Ah.
Dapat specific na sasabihin nyo, external hard drive. Bakit? Meron tayong hard drive, di ba, na nasa loob ng computer. Tama? So, pwede siyang considered as hard drive pa rin siya. So, this one is an example of a removable drive. Bakit? Sabi ko nga kanina, it is portable storage. Meaning, pwede mo siyang madala kahit saan at pwede mo din siyang isalpak or plug into multiple computers. When we say multiple, maraming computer. For example, ang laman nito ay yung graduation with pictures. So, pwede kong i-copy yung mga graduation pictures into...
Parang USB lang, teacher.
Yes po. It's not called USB but it is called flash drive later. Masasabihin ko. Here are the some common types of storage devices or storage drive. Number one is, ito yung pinaka-oldest na portable na storage drive, which is your floppy drive. Have you used a floppy disk? Yes or no?
No.
Hindi na. Wala na sa generation ninyo ang floppy drive. So your floppy drive can be used for removable. It is 3.5 inches. So gano'n yun kalaki. Ganito lang, siguro mga ganito. Isa na may kalahati nitong finger ko kasing haba nung floppy disk. And magnetic siya na floppy disk. Pero mapapansin nyo, ang ano niya lang, ang size lang ng floppy disk is 720. Anong meaning ng KB? KB, MB, and GB.
Ano? Kilobyte.
Okay.
Kilobyte,
Kilobyte.
megabyte, gigabyte.
Kilobyte. How do you spell byte?
B-Y-T-E.
Okay. Megabyte.
B-Y-T-E.
Gigabyte. Alin yung may pinakamalaking storage sa tatlo?
Gigabyte.
Okay. GB or gigabyte. Tandaan nyo lang, kumakain kayo ng potato corner.
Opo.
Di ba may mga sizes yon. Ganun lang din yon.
Terabyte.
May tera pa. May terabyte.
Lagi ko kinakain terabyte or gigabyte.
Kinakain mo yun. Kinakain mo dyan yung ano.
Okay na?
Cream. Ng malakas.
So, sa floppy disk, listen, sa floppy disk, meron lang po na size na 720 kilobyte or until 1.44 megabyte. So, ano lang ang pwede mong ma-storage dito? Kung bibigyan ko kayo ng example,
Picture.
Isang file.
I'll give you an example ha. Isang file lang, halos isang file lang ang pwede mong ma-save. Kung ang video, For you to know the size of your video,
Ang video, mga
properties.
Mbps na yan.
Ito, 144. So, sa tingin mo, makakasave ka pa sa floppy disk? Yes or no?
Niet.
Hindi.
Hindi na. What about a file? For example, this
Yes.
one.
Probably yes.
So, this is 181. Hanggang ano lang naman, 720. So, pwede, almost, sa experience ko noon, nung elementary ako, nung time namin kasi we use floppy drive, more on ang nasisave lang namin doon ay files lang, mga document files, mga Word, Excel, pictures, and etc. But when it comes to videos, hindi na namin siya masave. Okay? Tapos, ang laman ni floppy drive, I'll get the picture ha. Floppy disk. This one is called the floppy disk. Yung floppy drive na tinatawag natin is yung sinasalpakan natin ng floppy disk. So this is an example of a floppy disk. Meron siyang magnetic na optical drive dito sa gitna. Pag nasira to, nasira din to na magnetic na to, hindi na mariread yung floppy disk mo. Yung floppy drive na tinatawag natin is this one. Ito. Yung pinapasukan ng floppy disk. Nakuha? Kuha? Clear?
Okay.
Okay, clear. So, it is usually configured as a drive. So, may pangalan siya na default, name default niya is A drive. So, the floppy drive can be used to boot the computer if it is contain a bootable floppy disk. When we say bootable, ito yung ginagamit ng mga computer technicians for them to reformat a computer. Okay? Hindi na siya ginagamit ngayon. Kung mapapansin nyo, wala na kayong mabibili na computer na merong salpakan pa ng floppy disk. Lahat na po, flash drive, more on flash drive na, kahit CD na wala na, di ba? Kuha sa inyo laptop or computer at home. Check nyo nga kung may salpakan pa ng CD.
Wala.
Wala na.
Wala na.
Wala na. Tinanggal na.
Noon-
More on.
Ilan taon ako na? Basta noon, may laptop kami.
Sa gilid niya.
Pinalagyan kami ng CD sa gilid.
Yes po. Ngayon wala na.
Wala na mga CD.
lang.
Kasi alam niyo kung bakit. Panipisan na kasi ng laptops today. So how
Puros
can
USB na.
Para mas madali,
mabitbit, ganun.
Yes.
Siyempre, kapag lalagyan nila ng CD drive, ang tendency, kakapal yung laptop mo. Mas bibigat. Diba? So next, we have your hard drive. A hard drive or hard disk drive, which is called sa computer HDD. Hard disk drive. A magnetic storage device that is installed inside your computer. So your hard drive is used for permanent storage of your data. So lahat ng files mo po nakasave kay hard drive. Okay? In Windows computer, the hard drive is usually configured as C drive or yung local C na tinatawag natin. Kung paano mo makikita yon, you go to your disk PC and meron na kayo ditong this one is my hard drive na dalawa. Okay? The hard drive is often configured as the first drive in the boot sequence. So, minimin natin dito na boot sequence. Every time you're going to open your computer, for example, this is your hard drive Naka-install nga to sa computer mo. Ang unang nire-read niya, ito, na hard drive mo. When you're going to open your computer. And the storage capacity of a hard drive is measured in billions of bytes. Okay? Bakit billions of bytes? Kasi gigabyte na po siya. Okay? And the speed of a hard drive is measured in revolutions per minute. Bakit revolution? So, meaning umiikot siya, di ba? Tama? So, paano umiikot yon, madam? Kung I'm going to open a hard drive, or I'll get a hard drive inside my computer, it looks like this one. Can you see my screen? Thumbs up po kung opo. Okay. Once I open this hard drive, ang kalalabasan niya po ay ito. Or ito. What can you see inside the hard drive? It looks like a CD, di ba?
CD.
CD. So, ang tendency, depende po yun, yung bilis ng pag-read ng files mo sa RPM na tinatawag or revolutions per minute. Meaning, ilang ikot ang kaya niyang gawin sa isang minuto. And the multiple hard drives can be added to increase storage capacity. So that means you can add more than one hard drive on your computer. Siguro mga 3 pwede na. Okay? So already 11:48, hanggang ano lang naman tayo, 11:50. I'll just continue this one. Tapos, yung link po na gagamitin ay parehas lang pa rin. Okay? Question as of the moment. Okay, may ano po, module is on your vSmart already. Clear? Okay, goodbye grade 7. Do not be late by next time.
Bye, madam.
Bye
Goodbye
po.
po, madam.
Bye-bye.